All right, guys, let's turn it on and run this shower.
Step in here.
Floor is in. We are cutting inside the bathroom, finalizing our last row here. Installing fulls, we have to trim the left and right side. After finalizing the last row, we then install our curb. I have everything already pre-cut. We're going to install this right now. We're going to install a full piece behind the niche I was able to sell my customer on. Rather than river rock back there, a nice clean full piece of porcelain tile so it looks seamless and clean. Let's install. Using this awesome little 4-inch quarter by quarter Troxel mini trowel. It's real great to work with small spaces like a niche. We use this on every project. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. As well as this mini suction cup by RTC. We use this on every project as well. I'll leave links if you want to check them out. Okay, we're finalizing this shower. Last couple of pieces will be the top of the curb. We're capping it out and we are trimming it out with Schluter Jolly. So what we do is super simple. Fill in the void with thinset and then we back butter with ridges on the back of our caps. Okay guys, we are moving right along. We are retexturing these walls. So we skimmed everything. We're going to sand tomorrow, texture the walls with our hopper, and we're going to do a knockdown in this bathroom. So now it's time for the grout party. We're going to grout the shower pan, and the bathroom floor all the same color. We're using Prism. So here's the floor, all prepped. The shower, all prepped. We'll cover the grate and grout. Here we go. Okay, moving on to the next step. Protecting the floor. We're going to cover our beautiful shower with plastic, cover the window, cover the door, and trim so that we can finalize our last sand, bring the hopper in here, spray our texture, and knock it down. Okay, we are making progress here. Our texture is complete. It is a light knockdown. Next step is to prime the walls with Kilz, paint 2 coats, and then we install the vanity, baseboard, toilet, all of the miscellaneous items. Shower is all polished out and sealed up. Trim kit is installed as well. We simply have to install the arm and shower head. Lots of work to do today. Let's go. Okay, today is the last day. Our last piece of this shower is installation of our glass panel. Here is our glass panel. 3 pieces of hardware on this right wall here. Quick installation, 3 brackets, 3 holes. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the bathroom remodel is complete. Let's show you the final result, give you a tour. Here we go. We will first start with the floor. Installed a 12 by 24 high gloss porcelain tile. 50% offset staggered. Now, keep in mind our client, for design ideas, wanted an earthy look. In their home, they have lots of other bathrooms with an earthy look like this. So we installed a travertine look, high gloss, baseboard painted to match this beautiful vanity, all-in-one vanity kit. Quartz top, soft closed doors, brushed nickel faucet, installed a medicine cabinet, deco light, of course a new toilet. Let's take a look at this beautiful shower. Same tile on the floor as the shower, 12 by 24, 50% offset. Tile is landing at the bottom of the niche. Full tile in the middle of the niche, full tile above the niche. We have a shower head on this wall with a glass panel, frameless, diverter, new valve, and trim kit. Beautiful cut flat River Rock shower pan. Now this is a Schluter shower. We have a dry pack underneath here with membrane, Schluter Curdy board, and of course our Schluter grate here. Brushed stainless steel. Beautiful niche, 12 by 20, trimmed out with Schluter Jolly, nice clean, tight miters, proper pitch and slope on the sill. Shower looks fantastic. All right guys, let's turn it on and run this shower.